Hello friends, I welcome you all at Shuffle. So continuing triangle chapter, in today's lecture we are going to see criteria for similarity of triangles. So let us start. So basically we have three criteria for similarity of two triangles. The first one we have is angle similarity. In short we write it as AAA similarity. The special case of this similarity is there that we call it as angle similarity. In short we are writing it as AA similarity. The second one we have is side similarity. In short we are writing it as SSS similarity. And the third one we have is side similarity. In short we are writing it as SAS similarity. So we are going to see the proof of all this criteria for similarity of two triangles. So let us see the first one, angle similarity. So if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and hence two triangles are similar. So what they are trying to tell is, if I have two triangles ABC and PQR, and if it is known to me that angles are equal, that means A equals P, B equals Q and C equals R, then we need to prove that these two triangles are similar. Now in the previous lecture when I was teaching condition for similarity of two polygons, so we saw that two conditions were mandatory. The first one was angle must be equal and the second one was side must be proportional. Now here angle is given equal. So using this information, if somehow we can prove that the sides are proportional, we can say the two triangles are similar. So let us try to do that. So we need to prove ABC similar to PQR. So I need to do a small construction. So I have marked point M and N on sides PQ and PR respectively such that PM equals what? AB. That means this PM length is equals to what? AB, and PN, that means this length, is equals to what? AC. So this is the construction I am doing. Now consider triangle ABC and PMN. I can see that AB equals to PM by our construction. Angle A equals to angle P, that is given to us, and again AC equals side PN. So I can see that triangle ABC and triangle PMN are congruent by side congruency criteria. Correct? So if triangles are congruent, then corresponding angles will be equal by CPCT. Correct? So angle ABC, that means this angle, should be equals to angle PMN. Correct? And similarly this angle C should be equals to angle what? N. Now it is given to us that ABC is same as what? Angle PQR. That means this angle is same as this angle. That is given. Angle A equals P, angle B equals Q. So angle B equals Q was given to us. And just now we have proved that B is equals to what? Angle M. So I can say that angle PMN and angle PQR are equal. Now if you watch carefully, so basically PMN and PQR are corresponding angles. So I can say that MN should be parallel to what? QR. Now I need to concentrate in bigger triangle PQR. I can see that MN is parallel to what? QR. So by BPT or Thales theorem, I can say that PM by PQ should be same as PN by PR. Since MN divides side PQ and side PR in the same ratio by BPT, so I can say PM by PQ should be same as PN by PR. Now by construction I can see that PM is equals to AB and PN is equals to AC. So that substitution I am doing it. So from equation 1 I can see that now AB is proportional to side PQ and AC is proportional to side PR. So in a similar manner I can prove that AB by PQ same as what? BC by QR. So from 1 and 2, I can say that AB by PQ equals BC by QR equals AC by PR. So using the given information that angles are equal, we are able to prove that sides are what? Proportional. And these are the two mandatory conditions for two polygons to be similar. So hence I can say that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Now a special case of this is there. We know that if two angles of a triangle are respectively equals to two angles of another triangle, then by angle sum property of a triangle, we can say that the third angle will also be what? Equal. So the special case of AAA similarity is AA similarity, which is stated as if two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar by AA similarity criteria. We can easily see also. Now let's say it is given to us that angle A equals what? Angle P. Let's say this is alpha, so this is also what? Alpha. And let's say this is beta and this is beta. So these two angles are equal. So I know this angle C will be what? 180 minus sum of other two, that means alpha plus beta. Here also in this triangle, by angle sum property, angle R will be what? 180 degree minus alpha plus beta. So I can see that all the three angles are equal. Hence the result follows. And this is a very important similarity criteria which we are using most frequently. Now the second one we have is side similarity criteria. What it states is, if in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence two triangles are what? Similar. Now what is given to us is, two triangles ABC and PQR are given and it is given that their sides are what? Proportional. Now we know that for two polygons to be similar, the two mandatory conditions are angles should be equal and side must be proportional. Now here we are given that sides are what? Proportional. So using this, if somehow I can prove that angles are equal, then I can say the two triangles are what? Similar. So my entire focus is proving angle A equals P, angle B equals Q and angle C equals what? Angle R. So again a small construction I need to do. So that's what I have done. I need to take point M on PQ and N on PR such that PM is equals to what? AB and PN is equals to what? AC. So this is small construction I am doing. Now what is given to us? AB by PQ, BC by QR and AC by PR. This was given to us. Now by construction I can see that AB is equals to PM and AC is equals to PN. So that value I am replacing. In place of AB I have replaced what? PM, and in place of AC I have replaced what? PN. Now if you watch carefully triangle PQR, you can see that PM by PQ is same as PN by PR. That means MN divides side PQ and PR in the same ratio. So by converse of BPT I can say that MN must be parallel to what? QR. So that's what I can say. Now since MN is parallel to QR, so by corresponding angles I can say that M should be equals to angle Q. So this is equals to dot and maybe I can put a circle here. So angle N should be equals to what? Angle R. So these are corresponding angles, correct? So moving ahead, just now we have seen angle similarity. So I can see that in triangle PMN and in triangle PQR, two angles are equal. Angle M equals angle Q, angle N equals angle R. So I can say that triangle PMN similar to triangle PQR. Now triangles are similar, so again sides will be what? Proportional. So PM by PQ should be same as Mn by Qr should be same as Pn by Pr. So this I am calling it as equation 2. Now watch very carefully 1 and 2. So Pm by Pq is equals to Bc by Qr and Pm by Pq is equals to Mn by Qr. So I can say that Bc by Qr will be same as Mn by Qr. Now since Qr and Qr will get cancelled, so from here I'll get what? Bc equals Mn. So that's what I have written. So from 1 and 2 I can write Bc equals what? Mn. Now we can consider triangle ABC and PMN. So we know that AB equals to PM by construction, and again AC equals to PN by construction, and BC equals to MN just now we have proved here. So I can see that triangle ABC and triangle PMN are congruent by side congruency criteria, correct? So by CPCT I can say that angle A should be equals to angle P, and B should be equals to angle M, and C should be equals to angle N, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now already we have proved that angle M equals angle Q and angle N equals angle R. So B equals M and M equals Q. So I can say that B equals Q, and C equals N equals R. So I can say that C equals what? R. So using the condition that sides are proportional, now I have proved that the three angles are equal. Angle A equals angle P, B equals angle Q, and C equals angle R. So since sides are proportional and angles are equal, so the two triangles must be what? Similar. So this is the second similarity criteria for similarity of two triangles. Let us see the proof of third one, that is side angle side similarity. So if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. अब यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं? So two triangles ABC and PQ are, again I have taken. Now it is given that angle A equals angle P. So this angle is given to this angle. Now what are the sides we have containing angle A? That is AB and AC. Here sides containing angle P is what? PQ and PR. So AB proportional to PQ and AC proportional to PR. So these two information are given to us. So using this we need to prove that these two triangles are similar. So again the same construction I am going to do. I am going to mark point M on PQ, N on PR, such that PM equals AB and PN equals what? AC. Okay. Now I am considering triangle ABC and PMN. So I can see that AB equals PM by construction, angle A equals to angle P, that is given, and AC equals PN by construction. So these two triangles are congruent by SAS congruency criteria, correct? So if these two triangles are congruent, what I'll get is by CPCT I can write that angle B will be same as angle M and angle C should be same as angle N. That's what I have written in equation 1. Okay. Now it is given to us that AB by PQ is same as AC by PR. So this information was given. Now since AB equals PM, so I am replacing AB by PM, and AC I am replacing by what? PN. So here I'll write PN. Okay. So I can see that PM by PQ is same as PN by PR in triangle PQR. So I can see that MN divides PQ and PR in the same ratio. So I can say that MN should be parallel to QR by converse of BPT. That's what I have written here. Now since MN is parallel to QR, so I can say that angle M will be equals to angle Q, corresponding angles, and angle N will be equals to what? Angle R, corresponding angles. So now from 1 and 2 I can say that angle B equals angle Q and angle C equals what? Angle R. So we are able to prove that all three angles are equal. Angle A equals P, B equals Q and C equals R. So using first criteria what we saw, I can say that triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. So these are the proof of this three similarity criteria just now we have done. So question based on this we'll be covering in the next session. So thank you so much for watching Safal. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel.